Woke up foggy, body stiff, brain racing ahead? Let's wake everything up the right way. Most people stretch too slow in the morning, but this flow, it activates your joints, wakes up your nervous system, and recharges your energy fast. You'll be shocked how alive you feel after just 5 minutes. Let's hit the mat. You've been compressing your spine for 6 to 8 hours. This stretch opens everything up: hips, ankles, back, and twist tension right off your core. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside the knees. Press the knees apart gently with your elbows. Lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting through your torso. Return to center, then twist left. Keep switching sides slowly and with control. This move stimulates your lymphatic system, helping you detox before your first sip of water. I promise this will unlock your mid-back and prep your whole body for energy. Keep your heels down the entire time. Do you feel your spine waking up with each twist? That's a sign your breath is syncing with your movement. You just created space in your spine. Let's build on that by unlocking your hips side to side. Your body isn't just meant to move forward and back. Lateral movement is where freedom lives. Stand wide with your feet turned slightly out. Shift your weight into your right heel, lowering into a side lunge. Keep the left leg extended, toes up. Push through your right foot to return to center. Switch sides and repeat. You'll need this mobility for the lunge we'll hit in just a moment. It's coming faster than you think. I promise this move will make your hips feel younger and more fluid every single day. Try keeping your hands off the ground the entire time. Do you feel the stretch in the inner thigh? That's a tension we've been ignoring all week. Now that your hips are alive, let's go even deeper into a forward lunge. This is the counterbalance to every hour you spend sitting. It doesn't just open your hips, it opens your posture, your breath, and your mood. Step your right foot forward, drop the back knee, sink your hips low while keeping your chest proud. Hands can rest on your thigh or reach up overhead. Fun fact: tight hip flexors are linked to poor circulation and even low energy levels. I promise opening this chain will release a wave of clarity through your entire body. Squeeze your back glute. Yes, really, and feel the difference. Do you feel the stretch right where your leg meets your torso? That's your body saying thank you. That just reprogrammed your right side. Let's even it out. Same cues, switch sides. We're about to hit the most energizing stretch of the flow next, and it will wake up your whole nervous system. Add a gentle lean back with your arms to deepen the hip opening. One side tighter than the other? That's your imbalance showing. Now we're balancing it. Now that your hips are open, let's fire up your whole body from the ground up. Activate the whole body. This is your full body wave, your spinal reset from top to bottom. Start in downward dog, hips lifted, heels reaching. Slowly ripple forward into cobra. Chest open, shoulders down. Move back and forth with control. Inhaling as you shift forward, exhaling back. Surprising fact, this dynamic flow resets your nervous system faster than static stretches. I promise you'll leave the stretch feeling taller, clearer, and more connected to your breath. Keep the motion smooth and connected. Make it one seamless wave. Do you feel that stretch down your back and calves? That's your full body freedom in motion. You've opened the front and back of your body. Now let's end by folding into stillness and grounding your energy. We finish where most people never start, with surrender. This stretch calms your mind and drains tension from your legs. Stand tall, then fold forward from the hips. Let your arms hang, maybe grabbing opposite elbows. Keep a gentle bend in the knees if needed. Hold for 5 more seconds without adjusting. Just breathe. Do you feel the release in your lower back? That's gravity doing the healing work. You just gave your nervous system permission to breathe, and your day hasn't even started yet. You moved, you breathed, you recalibrated. That's a win. But if you sit for hours today, your body's going to need more. That's why I created a 3-day reset, a free daily plan to keep you pain-free, mobile, and strong all day long. Tap the link now in the pinned comment or description before your body slips back into survival mode. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.